Yo guys, we're back on a video today, and in this tutorial we're going to be showing you how to get rid of viruses and just in generally how to make your PC really secure. So let's get to it. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is go to your browser and make sure you subscribe to this channel. This is a recent video of how to enable Hibernate on Windows 11. If you want to do that, go and check it out. So these other softwares we're going to be using, that's Malwarebytes and CCleaner. You can download both of them. Malwarebytes is linked in the description. CCleaner is in the description as well. So obviously you click the free download, do not buy them. Okay, and when you have them open, you could start this one as a scan. Skip that, and then start a regular scan. You can get 14 days free trial on Malwarebytes. And yeah, we'll fast forward this. Alright, and that is the scan done. So on the CCleaner, we are going to click the button that says make it better, and it's going to patch up the computer. So it's going to get rid of all the it's going to get rid of the 5 trackers, the 160.5 megabyte of junk, and obviously you need Pro. So if you want to pay for the Pro, then be my guest. It's a trusted software, so you'll be fine. And on Malwarebytes, it's click done. If you have viruses, they'll be in here. And then just check this. And so yeah, this is a quick video of how to remove viruses. If you want to learn more Windows tips and tricks, make sure to subscribe and like the video so I know you're liking this. And peace.